Hello and welcome to my channel, Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Datta. In this video, we shall explore the sort function in Excel, a dynamic array function that helps you organize data quickly and efficiently. The sort function allows you to arrange contents of a range of array in an ascending or descending order using a simple formula. Since it is a dynamic array function, the sorted results automatically spill into multiple cells and update whenever the source data changes, eliminating the need for manual sorting again and again. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the sort function using a car sales dataset. You will learn how to perform a simple sort in ascending order, sort the same data in descending order, and carry out multi-level sorting where data is sorted by more than one column. We will also explain how to control the sorting order in each column. Finally, we will demonstrate horizontal sorting where data arranged across columns can be sorted based on specific criteria, such as sorting students' name according to their marks. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how the sort function can help you organize and analyze data, Excel data, more efficiently and dynamically.
Sort function. The sort function arranges the contents of a range or array in ascending or descending order. It's part of Excel's dynamic array functions, meaning the results automatically spill into multiple cells without needing to copy formulas manually. Syntax. Equal sort array, sort index, sort order, by call, array the range or array to sort. Sort index optional, the column or row. Number to sort by. Default is 1. Sort order optional. 1 equals ascending default. -1 equals descending. By call optional. False equals sort by row default. True equals sort by column. We have a car sales dataset enclosed within the red border. We shall utilize this dataset to demonstrate the sort function. We shall start with simple sort of the car sales dataset in ascending order on the basis of revenue. First, we shall copy the header in row 25. Sort function does not have the capacity to recognize the header row. In cell A26, input the formula as shown on the screen. We have the dataset sorted on the basis of revenue. Now, we shall sort the same in a descending order. First, copy the header in row 25. Go to cell H26. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The dataset is sorted in a descending order on the basis of revenue. Now we shall do multi-level sorting. First, copy the header in row 50. Go to cell A51. Copy the formula as shown on the screen. Let me explain the formula. To do multi-level sorting, you have to input the column numbers as arrays. Here we want to first sort by name and then by revenue. So we input 1,6 within curly brackets. We can individually determine the order of sorting of columns. We want the names to be sorted in ascending order and the revenue to be sorted in descending order. So we input within curly brackets 1 and -1. You will observe that the data table is sorted first on names in ascending order and then on revenue in descending order. In the last demonstration, we shall show how to do horizontal sorting. We have data containing the names of the students and marks obtained by them. We want to horizontally sort the data so that we have the name of the students in descending order based on the marks obtained by them. First, copy the headers to A77 and A78. Input the formula in cell B77 as shown on the screen. The data is horizontally sorted in a descending order based on the marks obtained.
Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find a video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.